Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to change a phone number on a Dasher Direct. Okay, and you can do this through the Dasher app. You can do this on your Android or your iOS. If you're on your Android, go to account details. If you're on your iOS, go to your account details under the account tab on the app. And then go ahead and tap on the profile tab. And here you will be able to update your phone number through this method once you've basically completed the two-factor authentication verification, okay? Just keep in mind that the verification process must be completed and you cannot bypass this for any reason if you want to go ahead and change or update your phone number, okay? And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to find your solution, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, come on, go smash that like button, go subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.